Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. This is video 4 of my mini series of North Carolina colleges. I am today doing my favorite one. I'm doing my school as my final, I'm not even going to say final, my final eye look. If you guys want me to do more, I will continue to do more. This is just supposed to be, so I have a bunch of videos right before graduation. I know that all North Carolina schools are letting out very soon, and I would like for you guys to be able to see them before graduation, so you can use them if you want to. I know they're a little out there for graduation, but I don't know, I'm artsy, I would do it. I graduated from UNC Wilmington in July of 2017, so I am still freshly out of college, and I loved my college. I loved it so much. I still love it. I wish I could go back. Like, I loved college. I also love their colors, so I'm really excited to see how this goes. So I'm gonna get started. I'm going to start out again with my Inglot eye primer. And then I'm going to get out my Morphe 35B palette again and set that primer with the white shadow up in the top corner up here, if you can see it. Set that all over my lid. Okay, and then next I'm going to go in with this very light brown shade again to give myself more dimension on a nice fluffy brush. And then next I'm going to go in with my favorite, this teal shade all the way up here. On camera it looks green, but in reality it is teal. So I'm going to use that same fluffy brush and pop that into my crease. Okay, and then for the lid, I'm going to use this navy blue shade right here with a flat shadow brush and pack that on all over my lid. And then I'm going to use that same fluffy brush to blend it out. Okay, and then I'm going to keep this very fresh, and I'm not going to use any eyeliner, but I am going to blend out over here a little bit more. Looks like I didn't blend out my primer very well. But I am going to clean up under my eyes with some micellar water and a Q-tip. Get that nice and sharp. Okay, and then I'm going to put on some concealer and I will be right back. Okay, and then to finish up my eyes, I'm going to take my Morphe palette again and just take that teal shade and just run that under my lash line. Okay, and then I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm using my Double Decker Lashes mascara again. Oh, I love this. I love these colors anyway, and it's my school, so I love it even more. Okay, and then for lipstick, for this look, I'm going to be using my Tarteist lip paint in the shade Delish. That is the final look. This one's definitely my favorite. Of course it is. It's my school. Go Seahawks, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys are enjoying this series. This is the final one for this mini series, unless you guys want to see more. If I get good feedback on this, I will continue. You guys just have to let me know what kind of schools you want to see. And anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below on what you want to see. If you like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And I hope that I see you guys again next time. Bye. Don't even tell me I had lipstick on my teeth this entire video.